guys, this is a firework video, I promise. I've got sparkler right now. Woo! Yeah, I got sparkler. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna shoot over here because my parents are over there and I don't want to, you know, they don't want to be in the video. Oh, I need to hold it that. This is awesome. So yeah, right now I've got a sparkler, and I'm going to shoot a video on the fireworks as well, but this is just sparkler right now. So yeah, it's nearly finished. A few more. Woo! I like sparklers, it's quite kid friendly if you know what I mean. It's quite wet, so I don't know if fireworks will work, but hopefully. Nearly finished. There.